morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Happy Monday! I'm talking a bit low because Tyler is off for a little morning nap. Well, I should say morning, early morning, late afternoon. No, it can't be both. It have to be one. So it's early afternoon nap. So he's done for a nap. And I'm here trying to get some work done. Even though I'm hungry, I need to go find something and eat before I start to feel nauseous and dizzy. How are you guys doing? Make sure you guys will be making this week productive. Have a good day, whether it's at work, school, play, whatever it is you're doing today, make it a good one. Baby's off to work as usual. I'm here trying to get some stuff done, and then I'm going to see what my rest of day is going to be like. You know, you never really planned, you just let the day flows. You guys, it's such a beautiful day out, an awesome day to go to the pool. A bunch of persons down there right now. I think Talanda is just going to go down when he wakes up in the afternoon, but let's see, because y'all know that sometimes I just don't feel like going anywhere, honey. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. The sun looks really hot out, and I think I might just go by the pool later. I think I'm gonna do just that. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to do this for the first time. It is said that Greek yogurt is healthy, and I've never had it before. I always try to find it, and I finally found it in the supermarket. I guess I wasn't looking properly, but I take the one that is natural. I think it doesn't have any taste, but as usual, my husband eats everything. You guys, babe eats everything, so it's not a problem if I try it and I don't like it. I can put it down for babe until he gets home. So I'm about to try this and see if I want it. It's huge though. I don't know why I'm eating it now, why I didn't eat it for breakfast. But anyway, I'm about to try to see if I like it or not. Wish me luck. Let me smell it first. Do you guys smell food before you eat it? If you're not sure. But like the past Jamaican expression, say wanna kill fat and wanna fatten poison, but I'm trying to find the words. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the worst tasting yogurt I've ever tasted in my life. Oh my god. Oh, ah, ah, ah. No, it won't work. I can't eat that. But I can't eat that just like I would eat a yogurt. Yuck. Lord. Baby's gonna laugh at me. Oh. You guys, I'm sorry, but I have to go and get this taste out of my mouth. So you guys, just as about Tyler is awake and I am already almost ready to go to the pool and look outside, this is what is happening. Sun is all gone and it's about to rain, man. So I guess that's that for today. No pool today at all because the sun is gone. It doesn't make any sense, and the rain is about to fall right now, but it's a blessing. So you guys, I start to feel a headache coming on, so I just released my plaits a little bit. Maybe they were a little bit too tight, and the minute I release them, I start to feel a little bit better. A little bit better. You guys, look at this boy. Look at this boy. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Show mama too. Where is 2? 2 is Tyler's favorite letter. Did I just say that? 2 is Tyler's favorite number. 2? This is not 2. That's Z. Z. No, wrong one. You're putting the Z in the 2 card. Go. Where is the Z one? Where are the others? Where's Apple? Where's Apple? Good job. O? Good job. Show me 2. Mother. That's mother. Queen. Say queen, mother. Ice. I. I for ice. E. E for elephant. Bread. B. Say B. F for food. G for giraffe. B. What is this number? Look. What is this? No. Right. 2, 3, 4. Where's 10? Where's 10? Yes, that's 10. 10 and 2 is his favorite. 2, 1. Where is 2? Yes, that's 2, but this number is 26. Yes, that's 2 also, but that's 21. Smart boy, you. What's he doing? What's he doing? These days I have him like in no top because it keeps him cool because it's summer, you guys know, and this heat is no joke. Look at him. You're still jumping like you're in the bounce about yesterday? You still feel like you're jumping in the bounce about yesterday? Thank you. Z. Say Z. He wants to read. This boy loves books. Okay, let's read. Let's read the alphabet A, B, and C. Anywhere tell us the book. Apple, right, for A. A for apple. What is this? Right, ball for B. What is this? Cat. C. Right, C for cat. M. M. No, stay like this. M. M. Monkey. You're so smart. Q. Q. U. Umbrella. Z. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which one is around here? Oh, January, February. What sound does the cow make? Moo moo. Moo. What sound? W, right. Good job. W, right. I'm about to make some dinner, and for dinner tonight I'm making some salmon and steamed spinach for babe. I really don't know what I'm gonna have with my salmon yet. Sometimes you're just tired of food and you just don't know what to eat. I'm just tired of it all. I don't know what to eat, and whatever I put my hand on whenever this salmon is ready or whenever I'm ready to eat, I guess that's what I'm gonna go with. But right now I don't feel to eat. I don't know what I feel for. I don't know what I want. So I'm making sure that I have something for babe, and then whatever I decide to do for me, then it is just gonna be what it is. But it's dinner time. Okay, you guys, so this is what dinner for me ended up looking like tonight. Don't ask me what kind of mix is all this, but that's what I put my hands on, so that's what it's gonna be. And this is for babe. I have steamed spinach. I give him some of the plantain with the salmon. So that's dinner. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy. The door. You gotta wait. Who's there? Who is that? Who is out there? Who is out there? You know who it is? No. All right, let me. It's okay. No, you let me. Tell her who's that? Bravo, mon amour.
Bisous.
Aww.
Ça va?
His reaction when Papa gets home every day is just priceless. How are you? Hey Fibs, as you guys can see, it's bedtime for me. I'm in my bed hairstyle and I'm ready to go. As you can see, this one is home and Tyler is off to bed. I don't think he'd tell you guys why, but he's long off to bed. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Oh, the Jamaican expression. How dare you guys at the end of the vlog I don't give you guys the Jamaican expression, huh? I don't understand you, girl. So
Yeah, catastrophe.
you know, the Jamaican expression for
Jamaican.
today. Oh, he's representing. He's in one of his Jamaica shirt. The Jamaican expression for today is you gonna lead or me gonna lead. This expression is an expression of excitement, and the reason why I'm giving you guys this one is because earlier in the afternoon, Babe and I was talking about something, and we have this little inside thing that we do, that when we're excited about something, we give each other a high five. So we were talking about something and we high-fived each other, and I said to him, yeah babe, we gonna lead. But he didn't understand what I mean. He was like, huh? What did you just say? What does that mean? So I said, all right, I am not going to tell you what it means until I give them the Jamaican expression. So we gonna lead can mean two things. One, it can mean that you're winning. If you're in front of somebody in a race and the person is ahead of you, that means that person gonna lead. They're winning. So it's just like in any other scenario. It simply means that you're winning. You're excited about a situation. So it's just simple saying, yeah, you're gonna lead. It's just an expression. What's the French expression or French word?
That's gonna be an expression just coming to my mind. On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
Okay.
On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge. Okay. This expression means that you're going nowhere. With the situation the way it is, you're going nowhere. So you're gonna have to say it. On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge. L'auberge. Right. On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
On n'est pas sorti.
On n'est pas sorti
On n'est pas sorti
de l'auberge. On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
On n'est de parti là.
You see, I'm starting to give you some book expression and you can't
Wait.
manage
It's because
it.
I'm joking. I'm not focused. Say it.
On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
On n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
Yeah.
I told you because I'm not focused.
Okay. With
Dans
you,
l'auberge.
Melissa,
Blablabla.
on n'est pas sorti de l'auberge.
Is you alone get the joke?
Yeah, I'm sure everybody was me and everybody got the joke too.
So ridiculous. I can't sit you, you're too much. Anyway, you guys, so there you guys have the French expression. and the Jamaican expression. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us, join the fam bam, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.